What about the third factor called integrity, Nandita ma'am?
Now Rajesh, integrity in the information security systems is all about data safeguarding.
Just how can we safeguard the integrity of our information?
To do exactly that, you need to make sure that your personal data is only accessible by only you and not by anybody else. In the branch of information technology, data integrity means storing data so that no intruders can have an access to anybody's personal data. Just suppose that you wish to transfer some money from your account to someone else through the internet, and some intruder modifies the data in the transit process. Would not it create a situation with tremendous loss besides creating confusion? For this reason itself, the principles of authentication and authorization and non-repudiation is created for the ensure of integrity. Just observe that an attacker can threaten the integrity of data by bypassing an authentication system or getting privileges beyond those normally granted to them. You should also know that software flaws and vulnerabilities can lead to accidental losses in data integrity and can open a system to unauthorized modification.
Definitely, ma'am. With so much security in concern, we should always make sure our integrity is not lost to the wrong hands.
Exactly, Rajesh.